Hello everyone. Today we are making a peach phyllo dessert. It's the perfect summer treat. So let's get started. To a bowl, add 8 ounces of cream cheese that's been softened, a teaspoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of peach preserve. Blend till smooth. And you're going to want to set that aside. Preheat your oven to 350. You're going to need to slice up 2 peaches. Now I'm leaving the skin on. You don't have to, but I like to leave the skin on. It'll add more color. Now that's the one. Now set this aside. Now get a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. And you'll have your phyllo dough thawed out and cover it up with a plastic wrap, and then you'll want to cover it with a damp paper towel so it doesn't dry out. So you're going to need 8 sheets. So I'll get the first sheet, lay it down, cover up your phyllo dough with a damp towel, and then you're going to want to brush this phyllo dough with melted butter. Oops. You got to be gentle because it might tear a little bit. Now to lay down the second sheet. Just lay it right on down on top. Now repeat with the butter. Okay, now repeat with the last 6 sheets, and I'll be back. Now this is the last sheet. Okay. Now you want to spread the cream cheese mixture and leaving a 2-inch border around the edges. And be careful when you spread it out that you don't tear the phyllo dough. Take your time and just spread it out as even as you can, leaving a 2-inch border. Now you're going to want to arrange the peaches over. Now I didn't use all the peaches, that's what I have left. Now after that, you want to take the edges and fold them up over. And take the butter and brush it over the edges. Get that underneath the flap and press it down. And just brush a little of the butter over the peaches. Now drizzle with honey. Take some honey and just drizzle it all over. Okay. And take some coarse sugar and sprinkle it over top. Now you're going to want to bake this till the phyllo dough is golden brown. We'll see in about 35 to 40 minutes. All right, it's been 38 minutes and it's nice and golden brown. So what we're going to do is leave it on the cooling rack until it completely cools, and then we can cut it. So good. That is really delicious. I hope you give this peach dessert a try because it really is delicious. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and maybe leave it a comment whether you might make it or not. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.